So let's start the video today. We're going to learn how to create live product photography using Google Earth AI. So first of all, turn on your mobile camera and take a photo of your product, and you will already have a photo of the product. There is an app called Pinterest. Let's go and search for product photography ideas. You will see many such photography product ideas. Select one of them, then select this image. Then go to Google Gemini. Then add the reference image that you took and your product. After adding, add the master plant that I have made in the description. After adding, generate the image. The photo will be ready in a minimum of 1 to 2 minutes. So now you understand how to create your product photography from Google Gemini. If you want to learn how to make this master print, then tell me in the comments. The next video will focus on that. See you in the next video. If you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe. And also comment on which topic you want the next video to be on.